Ang Mumbai kaisa event money Warrior Dream Series ne mo every month of ungo ta mo time mo Mumbai wngkha jeng Mumbai thanga ani coach no phaikha emne chini expansion ni bage the sponsor khaika coach no I'm thankful to him. I'm thankful to my parents to let me go. The goldman money, I'm grateful. Opponent bo काम to money.
Ini coach bo category ho tumari type ka bo opponent ning sab bo country dua ode sida na asa hasani pata de sikla ke
Ani opponent Mumbai no training khayo Mumbai no bo tongo ang category khai under 18 to money under 18 54 yeah 58 kilograms. Warrior Dream Series sangka Mumbai mo onek kotor event emne national level.
khoroktham thangno Tripura ni
Jeng 3 jona thangka Tripura ni jodi coach mil khangkai 4 jona thangka ta category khai under 18 58 kilogram.
ini
Ani mumung khai Ranajyoti Debbarma.
Ani bungka Branin Debbarma ang Mumbai Warrior Dream Series an adult 74 kilo ang final sogoi silver medal man phaikha.
ini opponent ke bo hai tough tomani
Ani opponent tough tongoni bo anjay kabang kilo tongoni but ang bona accept phaikha but ang challenging onek ang quarter kok but ang bona onek tough fight dikha but split decision of bojiti thanga.
Oh, events thumani norok bisbusuk
practice to ani more than 1.5 year tomoni but intense mane weight cut khane bagai ang abo 2 months hote ang onek clean diet ma cholika onek water cut ma kha onek bongkha but ani ang jokon an thankful an coach no and teammates no and parents je jan log support khane jotono no ang to first time this time si first time kam mane ara thanga ang kam experience ma kha
kamu man
ang silver ma kha
third position
second position ani coach mo ka Amit Murashing ko
aku tulaw ba tiga hasto mo bodo ka practice khayo
ang go ani coach ni under Tripura Legends train khayo.
Tripura Legends no represent Khainthango national level tournament no ang gai under 54 thongo weight under 18 no thongo ang bo ang final sogoi hari thanga ani opponent kisha tough tongmani bo kisha mane kaham thongo bo pro thongjak gai an to first time abon bagi ang kisha mane nervous ngi kisha hari thanga final
একদম তে কাম কর নর টিপা হাসতে বা আর তলাও নর উপর জায়গা প্র্যাকটিস খাই তাই বেশি বছর ধরে প্র্যাকটিস খাইছো
Tripura Legends practice to gym khayo chini Tripura Legends gym tongo bati oboi nogor Buddha mandir ni uklo
no to nubo bisi grino ni tobang ma event to aba high five game event to participate kayo takla bo ko jaga thang participate ikete bo game mo takla participate
Warrior Dream Series song last 2023 thangja aprong ke jong 6 jona thango ke 6 jon bising apro bahaino khoroktham hareo this time hingkai ekdom katal fresher song talang than ke bro katal rok bahaino tebo bro bahaino buskang ni tebo step bro upgrade ngona nango abon bagai hingke this time song khoroktham thango khoroktham bisingo khoroksa hingke gold mangha tai khoroktham silver mangha
Adam din na ba may one to?
Ani wan sumo khai ang no pila Tripura o MMA to mane sini team ni bumo ang Tripura Legends MMA Academy engkai MMA Academy no apno song kotor khanyen planning khai to apno song kotor khai kaisa academy chini academy ta khono asok belain proper khai infrastructure ta khono khaime ako so hopefully datino song apno khai planning khai to
Ni mo.
Amit Murashing
Nora hasta habang ba edisi habang tu hakti kono the academy no te ba upgrade khne ba kono suba suruk da mamon tong ba
coba 2 years asgang song jefro Mumbai thangpro sono coba surjan this time but maximum time no ang nijin semi no khayo ang nijin semi no no tongani chanane ang khayo ta engke ni thang phaini semi personal brok bear khayo but ar tongani chanane joto ang nijin khayo engke edisi government rokoi bo kaisa planning chole tongo em naigena bahayong
Mumbai sulu chole na.
joto state on chole ho but Mumbai Warriors Dream Series au mudam India ni kisa kotor event no
Last time sunu ka je fatar country ni hasta ro ba dor participate ma khai ka. Da bus kan khalo ba hai participate event khai to.
tebo fight ho this year tebo song duita so game thungan tebo planning chole to chen ar tebo senior so thangpinai age thungjagrok